So in English class also, we must be sure that our children are speaking correctly. So don't let it go, because they can do it. And they can also sound very, very native speaking, like native speaking kids, okay? So, let's see. When we teach our kids, we have to teach what we call living English. And living English is what people speak, not what robots do. So lots of times teachers say, "How are you?" And the children learn, "How are you?" And when a native speaker comes, it's, "How are you?" So, how are you? Just these three words becomes one word. How are you? And they cannot understand it because that's the way we speak, okay? And just because we think that it's a foreign language, that we have to do it very, very slowly and carefully. Yes, we do, but we don't have to raise robots. And nobody says, "How are you? May I help you?" Nobody says that except English teachers. So we have to be careful that we teach natural speed and things. And what living English is about is natural speed. Okay? But if you just speak too fast, nobody will understand you. But we have also rhythm. And for rhythm, for instance, if we have this, and this is an umbrella, we say, "It's an umbrella, it's an umbrella, it's an umbrella." But if we wanted to make it a pink umbrella, we say, "It's an umbrella, it's a pink umbrella. It's an umbrella, it's a pink umbrella." So we have it right in here, and pink umbrella is squashed in there. It's an umbrella, it's a pink umbrella, right? But if we wanted to make it a long pink umbrella and keep it in this 2 beats, it's a little bit more difficult. You want to try? It's an umbrella. It's a pink umbrella. It's a long pink umbrella. No, that's 3. But we have to keep it in 2. So it goes like this. It's an umbrella. It's a pink umbrella. It's a long pink umbrella. So that means that you cannot breathe. Okay? It goes, it's an umbrella. It's a pink umbrella. It's a long pink umbrella. So in between the beats, you put the itza in there. And this is how our rhythm goes in English. And then we have intonation. And intonation is very, very important because of the fact that if I say, "Hello," you will answer me. If I say, "Hello," you think, "Uh-oh, I'm in a bad mood. Something's wrong," right? So, please be careful how you teach intonation, because the way you sound is important. The children in Japan, they come up to me in the first class, they say, "Teacher, teacher, what's your name?" And they say, "What's your name?" And I think, "Oh gosh, where did you learn that?" And they say, "My father taught me." But we don't want to say, "What's your name?" because it doesn't sound right. It's, "What's your name?" Okay, what's your name? Not what's your name. So anyway, I try to say, don't let your father teach you, but I can't say that. So always listen to the tapes and find out what the correct rhythm is. Okay? Intonation, I mean. And pronunciation, of course. What do you do? Do you teach eat rice or do you eat lice? Okay, now I do want to do a very, very quick activity with you here. All right, so I need a volunteer. A volunteer? Okay, please come up on stage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I always count to 10 so that my students will run. Okay? Okay, good. Now, I have 2 cards here. One is a circle and one is a circus. Which one do you want to be?
Circus.
Oh, she wants to be the circus. So I am the circle. Now, what is the common sound of circus and circle? Sir or s. Okay? So what we're going to do is hold our hands out like this. like that. Okay, we're not going to shake hands. But I will say s. And if I say circle, I get to hit her. Okay? That's 1 point. And if I say circle, I get to hit her again. You have to try to escape. Okay. Circus.
Oh, no.
She has to try to hit me, and I have to try. Okay, circus. Ooh, circus. Okay, circle. Bye. 1 point. Circle. Oh, she escaped. But if we make a mistake, then it's the other person's turn. Got it? Okay, so you need a partner to do this. Thank you very much, and you get a bag. Are you ready? Get into pairs. And one of you is circle, one of you is circus. Okay? Okay, circus, raise your hand. Circus, raise your hand. Circle, raise your hand. Okay, do you have a partner? Okay, I will say it. Listen to me. Okay, listen to me. Are you ready? Okay, circle. Circle. Circus. Great. Thank you. So in this way, we can have all kinds of pronunciation exercises. And what we do is rice and lice, too, so that they can differentiate between R and L. And in that case, it'll be ice, rice. Ice, lice, like that. And the children have a lot of fun. So in this way, we teach a lot of speaking. But we also teach reading while speaking. Did you know that? Instead of just having a special reading section, we also have we sort of do it casually so that the children get used to the letters and the words. Now, children, when they read, they distinguish shapes and patterns, and they can recognize words and sentences, and they see the words as chunks instead of individual letters. For instance, if you go to a foreign country and you see these signs, do you know what they are for? Yes, very important, yeah. So if you have to go to the restroom, ladies, do you know which one you will go to? The one on top. And the gentleman here, do you know where you're going to go to? The one on bottom. So even though you cannot read these words and you don't understand them, you know what they are through the pictures. And because they have the written word under them, you get familiar with them. But what happens if we take away the pictures? Okay, which one will the ladies go to? The one on top or the bottom? On top. And the gentleman will go to the one on the bottom. So, even though you may not be able to read these words or pronounce them, you know where to go. And this is the way children also get familiarized with the letters and words. And even my 3-year-old class, they can read the words. And in the beginning I thought, how can they read because they don't know the alphabet? Actually what they were doing was reading through shapes. Okay? So, speaking. And all Let's Go cards, oops, I missed one. All Let's Go cards do have the writing on them at the bottom. Okay? So can you read the first one? Ice cream, robot, dog. And if we take the words away, do you know which ones are which? What's the top one? Yes, because it's just a straight line. And what's the second one over there? Yes, because it has the up-down lines. And the third one? Robot, because it has two up. So this is the way our children do. They look at shapes and chunks of letters. Okay? So, this way we teach reading as well. So, speaking English is not the only tool for communication, but reading is also a form of communication. And the way we do this is by using visual aids for reading. And we have picture cards, word cards, and sentence bars. Look at the word cards. We have, can you read them? This, what, you, is. And the sentence bars are like, I like, and this is a. Okay, now can you look at the words and can you see something strange about them, or is it okay? This, what, you, he, she, and, can, every day. Those are the kinds of words we will use for word cards. And sentence bars will be, I like, this is a,